Hey ladies, it's Crystal with Younique. So, I've been sitting here and, I made up half of my face earlier. Okay, so I've been drinking some wine because, that's what I go with. Actually, it's sangria and it's very tasty and I'm almost out. But, as you can see, I've been licking my lips and I've been drinking from my wine. And I had actually put the Posh lip liner on half of my lips, okay? Then I added the Luxe lip gloss. Now, my lip gloss has disappeared because I kind of was putting it on my glass. But that's okay, because that's what lip gloss does. But, as you can see, I still have liner. I still have color, and it's been, an hour and a half since I've had this on, probably. So that's a really good indication of how great our liners are. Because this is actually my second glass of wine and almost the last of it. It's very sad. I'm going to have to cry a little later. But anyway, on another note, so I wanted to show you, I went really light on my foundation this time because sometimes I'll put, a layer on and I'll let it set and then I'll put another layer on. But as you can see, you can go light. You can go with a really light coverage, and that's what I did, right? Okay? So, I did my eyes. I have my, you can see, I have my lashes. I have my palettes on. I've got bronzer on, I've got blush on, and I've got my lip liner on, and I have my brow stuff on. Check that out. So, I wanted to show you. So, I have the Shine Gloss, okay? And I want to, I'm actually going to use a Shine Cloth and take this off. Now, there are 26 cloths that come into this pack, and this is actually the last one that I have in my pack, and that's because I use one a day, okay? So this would actually last you a little more than a month since there's 36 cloths in here. But this stuff is good for you. Look, it's made with sunflower, olive, jojoba, vitamin E, and rosemary. So it's really, really soothing and soft and soothing for your skin. It's awesome. I've never had anything work so great on my skin before, and it works great on them lashes. And you know what? It doesn't even irritate my eye at all. It doesn't bother it. And I've used all kinds of other kind of eye makeup removers, and I hate them because they burn my eyes. So anyway, so this works great. Now I have no contacts in. I'm actually acting like I'm kind of blind because I took my glasses off earlier. You can even see where I was wearing my glasses from earlier. So these are not super wet, okay? They don't drip. You can't squeeze the stuff out of them. They're wet, but they're not. They're damp, I should say. They're not wet. So I'm actually going to show you. I'm going to take my makeup off, and I'm going to use this, and I'm actually going to show you our wonderful Shine Cloth. Now, like I said, this would last me a little bit more than a month. Except I was actually using these and giving 2 of them away for door prizes because I think people should, check these out and they should experience them and feel them for themselves because I'll tell you what, this stuff, my skin is so soft after using this, okay? And, I can't complain about anything that I have used from Younique. It's insane. It's insane. So anyway, with that, I'm going to show you. Obviously you can see this side of my face, and I just rub it around, and you can start to see all my goodness coming off. You can see my handprint coming off, on my Shine Cloth. And again, it doesn't bother my eyes. I open them so I can get all the liner off. And it doesn't burn, it doesn't itch, it doesn't irritate me, I don't get any kind of redness, I don't get any swelling. Sometimes I still have to get the fibers, but this thing takes off the fibers, it takes off of all the mascara. Check that out, see it? It's all that stuff that was on my face. If you can believe that was on one side of my face. It's kind of funny. And I'm just going to keep going. Now I will tell you, when you use this on your lips to take your liner off, it is not the best tasting stuff. Okay? Just like most of your makeup removers, it doesn't taste great. But it's clean. I mean, it's good for you. It's not gonna, it's not horrible. It's not great tasting, but it doesn't mean that it's bad. So, getting all this stuff. And you want to use every inch of this bad boy that you've got for your entire face, okay? Because I load up my makeup, I want to use the stuff, and I use it very well. So, I don't look the same right now as I do, when I put my makeup on. And that's the point, you want to enhance your beauty. And some people like to enhance their beauty more than others. And I'm one of those people who likes to enhance my beauty a lot. With bold colors and beautiful colors. Sometimes I go mild. Most times I do not. So now, it's kind of funny that you can see that liner is some good stuff. But it's kind of funny, you can see. Okay, now you can actually see what my makeup was covering. You can see the blemish that I have here. Okay, you can, you can see all my little freckles, all my little, just my imperfections. Okay, I mean, if you don't have imperfections, I got crazy hair. If you don't have imperfections, that's great, because I would love to not have imperfections. But, I have imperfections, just like most people do. And, so you can see how I've completely lost my eyebrow. Okay? Because that brow liner, fantastic. That stuff is awesome. I've been using that. I've been getting really good at putting it on. And, I take it off, and now I have no brow. I mean, I have this little patch right here. That's about it. Okay? So, as you can see clearly, I look nothing like I did earlier. But these shine cloths are phenomenal. They feel great. I don't feel like I have a whole bunch of anything gross on my face. Okay, it's very smooth. It's very clean feeling. I can't talk enough about this stuff. I mean, this stuff's phenomenal. You really should try these. These are $20 for the 36 cloths. But I will tell you what, they're better than anything I've used on the market, okay? And I've used a lot of stuff. So, if you're looking for anything in particular, you want to see any makeup colors, or, hey, Crystal, show me, what you have on your palette, show me your different pigments, show me, do one of those crazy things where you add the pigments to your lips and then add, your lip gloss over top of it, or whatever. Go a little funky. If you want to see certain kind of colors, I will be creative, and I will show you what I can come up with, okay? So, with that, I'm going to head out, but I just wanted to show you those shine cloths. So, if you get a chance to get a set of those, you really should, and you should give them a try, because they're phenomenal, alright? I will talk to you later. Have a good evening. Bye.